This comes to you live from Cape Coyote. Tension builds as our countdown commences to launch our first American into space, Alan B. Shepard Jr., the Navy commander who won the coin toss to be the first to ride the Mercury Redstone into the unknown. Our Dr. Zooch BT-60 replica waits silently on the pad. The area has been cleared of all unauthorized personnel. The astronaut reports that all systems are go. We will commence the countdown shortly. Stay tuned, folks. This could get exciting. Welcome back to Cape Coyote, everyone. The launch director, Rocket T. Coyote, gives an all clear to commence the launch of the Mercury Redstone Freedom 7 replica. This is a Dr. Zooch BT-60 flying for the first time on a B64 Estes compressed black powder type motor. We commence the launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And she's up and arcing over nicely, and we have a partial ejection, but she's falling nice and flat. And we have a coast recovery. For our first pop gun start in this K9 space race, we have a successful launch. We approach the recovery zone. And we see that all the parts, even the ones that are broken off, are all within the same area. Oh, look. Gosh, he doesn't have to blow the hatch. He can go out the top, just like on the real Mercury flights. Not too many of them went out the front there, but a few of them blew the hatch, and they got a scrape across the knuckles for it. Don't believe me? Look up post-flight pictures of John Glenn. He's got a bandaged hand. That's the hand that pulled the detonation plunger. And the motor's still smoking. Not bad. We got just a little bit of a repair dealie here to do. No great damage. She fell flat. This is a very lightweight model. Could have done with a better ejection charge, but at least I get to use the wadding again. Oh, looky. Okay. And we end our coverage of this epic flight recreating the first American in space, Alan B. Shepard Jr., who retired as a Rear Admiral and was one of the only Mercury astronauts to walk on the surface of the moon. We return you to our regular programming.